Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. So this week I'm going to be showing you the new lace collection that we just got in. A few different looks that you can get with the lace, and then I'm also going to show you how I did these fun little easy hand-drawn snowflakes. So first I'm just going to quickly show you how I kind of do the technique a little differently for applying these. So this one and the faded glitter here. So all I've done is taken 2 coats of the hashtag edgy from the new hashtag Love My Nail Tech collection, and then I'm just going to apply 1 coat of the new checkered lace. And I like to kind of play with the glitter a little bit and push it around so that it's all laying nice. You can really see the diamonds. And I am putting this underneath of my flex just because this is technically 3 layers of glitter, and that can be a little bit thick on top of everything else. So I like to put it under the flex so that I can get a nice smooth finish on this nail. Okay. And then once I'm happy with the way that all of those glitters are laying, that's gonna go in the light. Okay, and then for the glitter fade, just like any other glitter, picking it up, placing it onto the nail, and then dragging it up. And again, this is another one that I kind of like to play with the glitter a little bit, so pull up some of those diamond pieces and add a little bit more if you need a few more shapes. And I do tend to drag this particular kind of glitter with more of a flat brush rather than on its side. So I find I can sort of control those glitters a little easier with a flat brush. And again, once I'm happy with where those are, I'll pop that in the light for a full cure. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done all of my finish filing after my application, and I've applied 2 coats of Fastlane and Frosty Paws onto my pinky and thumb here. And those have gotten a full 2-minute cure, and then I have my second coat of Fastlane on my index finger here, and I have not cured that yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of Frosty Paws and mix it with a little bit of After Wipe. So just like this, take a little bit of After Wipe. It's easy to just transfer it with a brush. And this is a really awesome spatula from MBI. I love it for mixing. I'm pretty sure it's for waxing, but it works really great for mixing your gels and not getting any bubbles in them. Okay, so the only purpose to that was just to thin it out a little bit, so when it goes into the other gel, it kind of disperses a little. I think it makes a really nice snowflake effect. So I'm gonna take a daughter. This is the number 3 bling stylus from Light Elegance. And I'm just gonna make a dot where I want the middle of my snowflake to be. And then I'm gonna make a few dots coming out from it for my snowflake's arms, I guess you could call them. Whatever. Taking my detail brush from Uber Chic, I'm just gonna, with a really light pressure, drag from the middle outwards through some of these dots. Same thing, dragging from the outside into the middle for some of them. So starting before the dot and dragging into the middle. Okay, and then I'm just gonna give that a quick cure. Okay, and then I'm just gonna come in with the number 1 bling stylus. It's a super fine needle point from Light Elegance with a little bit of not diluted Frosty Paws, and I'm just gonna do a couple little accent dots. Okay, and once you're happy with that, you can give it a full 2-minute cure. And then for the other 2, it's just the same glitter fade. So taking an old pro round,
placing it by the cuticle, and dragging it down the nail. And same thing with the racy lace, just placing it at the tip and dragging it up the nail. And again, both of these are ones that I like to kind of play with a little and really place my glitter where I want it to go.
And that gets a full cure and a top coat, and it's finished. Okay, and wipe those and give them a little bit of oil. And there's a few different looks you can do with the new lace collection, and a quick hand-drawn, or I guess hand-dotted snowflake.